This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Apply the parking brake and block the wheels. Pull the hood release lever underneath the steering wheel. Slide the safety latch and raise the hood, then support it with the rod. Loosen the clamp nut, then disconnect the negative battery cable from the terminal. Drain the cooling system. If the vehicle has just been driven, wait several hours to allow the engine to cool before beginning this procedure. Once the engine is completely cool, remove the radiator cap. Move a large container under the radiator drain fitting to catch the coolant. Attach a 3/8-inch diameter hose to the drain fitting to direct the coolant into the container. Then open the drain fitting. If the drain fitting is stuck, use a pair of pliers to turn it. While the coolant is draining, check the condition of the radiator hoses, heater hoses, and clamps. Replace any damaged clamps or hoses. Disconnect the PCV hose from the air outlet tube. Remove the air outlet tube by loosening the hose clamps on each side, then disconnecting the tube from the intake manifold and throttle body. Disconnect the upper radiator hose from the thermostat housing cover. Remove the bolts and detach the thermostat housing cover. Be prepared for some coolant to spill out as the gasket seal is broken. If the cover is stuck, tap it with a hammer to jar it loose. Note how it's installed, then remove the thermostat. Remove all traces of corrosion from the housing and cover. Clean the mating surfaces with brake system cleaner. Install a new sealing ring to the thermostat. Install the new thermostat to the housing and make sure that the air release valve is in the up position. Install the housing cover and bolts. Tighten the bolts to the specified torque setting. Install the upper radiator hose to the thermostat housing cover. Secure the hose with a hose clamp. Install the air outlet tube. Connect the PCV hose to the tube. Tighten the hose clamps securely. Connect the negative cable to the battery terminal. Tighten the cable nut securely. Refill the cooling system. Close and tighten the radiator drain fitting. Place the heater temperature control in the maximum heat position. Slowly add the proper type of coolant, which consists of a 50-50 mixture of water and antifreeze, to the radiator until it is full. Also add coolant to the reservoir up to the lower mark. Leave the radiator cap off and run the engine in a well-ventilated area until the thermostat opens. Coolant will begin flowing through the radiator and the upper radiator hose will become hot. Turn the engine off and let it cool completely. Add more coolant mixture to bring the level back up to the lip on the radiator filler neck. Squeeze the upper radiator hose to expel air, then add more coolant mixture if necessary. Install the radiator cap. Top off the coolant reservoir if necessary. Start the engine and allow it to reach normal operating temperature, then check for leaks and proper thermostat operation.